Assume running consumes 169 calories per mile, and if you run a 6-minute mile, what is your average power output in walks during a 1-hour run? So we need to figure out what the walks is, and remember, walks is the rate in which you consume the energy. So watts, that's the same as writing the units joules per second. So this is what we want to work towards, getting joules per second. We're going to start with the rate that they give us. They give us 169 calories per mile. So somehow I need to transform this into joules per second. We know that 1 calorie is equal to 4184 joules. We also know that he runs 1 mile in 6 minutes. So I can cancel out the miles by putting 1 mile up on the top is equivalent to running 6 minutes. So I can cross off miles, I can cross off calories, and then I just have to look to see how to change minutes into seconds, because if you notice, all the units are crossed off except for joules per minute. And we need joules per second. So once we change minutes into seconds, we're there. So I'm going to put 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So now I have minutes crossed off, and what I'm left with is joules per second, which is equivalent to watts. So what I have to do now is just work this out on the calculator. So I have 169 times 4184 times 1, but we don't really need to put that in. And then I'm going to divide by whatever I get when I take 6 times 60. So I'm going to take our previous answer from the top and divide by 6 times 60. That's what's on the bottom. And so the final answer for this, is going to be 1964. And it says to round to the nearest tenth, so that's 1 place. This 1 is going to get bumped up because this is 5 or bigger, so that 1 is going to become a 2. So my final answer is 1964.2 joules per second, which is the same thing as watts.